Hello students, welcome to the next video of mensuration. Today's video we are going to see the mensuration of solid figures. So let's start with mensuration of solid figures. So let's see the examples of solid figures. So as you can see in this picture, cube, sphere, triangular prism, then triangular pyramid, square pyramid, cylinder, rectangular prism, cone, all these are example of solid figures. Now let us see the properties and example of solid figures. So first is rectangular solid or cuboid. So property is rectangular surface, right? Cuboid has a rectangular surface. There are 6 faces, edges are 12 and corners are 8. Example, cereal box, right? Then jewelry box. These are the examples of cuboid. Then second one is cube, right? So all faces are square. Here 6 faces, edges are 12 and corners are 8, right? Same as cuboid. Example, dice. Next is cylinder. For cylinder, circular cross section to circular base, right? Circular cross section and to circular base. So cake can, glass, right? Then pipe, all these are example of cylinder. Then cone, property is circular base, right? Cone has a circular base. The point of cone is vertically above the center of circular base. So birthday cap, ice cream cone, these are the example for cone. Then sphere, property is each point on sphere is at equal distance from the center. Then tennis ball, earth, all these are examples of sphere. Okay. Now class, let us see the formula of solid figures. So first one is cuboid, right? Then diagram will be like this. Then here B is a base, okay? L is a length, B is a breadth, L is a length and H is a height. Then formula for volume will be LBH, okay? Then lateral or curved surface area will be 2LH plus 2BH, or we can take 2H common, so 2H into L plus B. So total surface area is 2 into LH plus BH plus LB, okay? That means length into breadth plus breadth into height plus length into height, okay? Then cube. So for cube, volume is A square. Then curved surface area will be 4A square and total surface area will be 6A square. Then next is right circular cylinder. For right circular cylinder, volume is pi r square h, curved surface area is 2 pi r h and total surface area is 2 pi r into h plus r. Then next is right circular cone. For right circular cone, volume is 1 upon 3 into pi r square h. Then curved surface area, that will be pi r l. Then total surface area will be pi r into l plus r. Then sphere, volume is 4/3 pi r square, curved surface area is 4 pi r square, and total surface area is 4 pi r square. Okay, and last hemisphere. For hemisphere, volume formula is 2/3 pi r square. Okay, pi r cube. Sorry, for hemisphere formula is 2/3 pi r cube. Then curved surface area is 2 pi r square, and total surface area is 3 pi r square. Okay, so class, let us see the example based on solid figure. So first example is, find the length of the longest pole that can be placed in a room 12 meter long, 9 meter broad and 8 meter height. Okay, so in this case L is given as 12 meter, B is given as 9 meter and height is given as 8 meter. Okay, so the longest pole that can be placed in the room will be equal to the length of its diagonal, right? So the longest pole means length of diagonal. So under root of L square plus B square plus H square means length square plus breadth square plus height square. So under root of 12 square plus 9 square plus 8 square. So that is equal to under root of 289, and square root of 289 is 17 meter, and hence the length of the pole is 17 meter. Okay. So with this I am concluding this video. Thank you students. In next video we can see the more example based on solid figures. Thank you.